Good morning, everybody.
Hello.
Hello. This is an update on
Powder's babies.
Okay, Powder's babies. Powder is the mother, proud mother of. I think I see 3 bikini,
3 little budgies.
and this is the big old puppy and my cockatiel.
Shaggy.
Morning,
It
wasn't
Shaggy. Morning.
Shaggy, you can't say it wasn't you no more because the proof is here. Okay, guys, let me use this up. I get the door open up.
I want to see.
You will be able to see it when it's done record. Because I get the door open, but I block the whole place so she don't know. So she can't really tell the difference. Ow. Ow. Move. Ow. Good side. There, everybody. See what's going on in your place.
Powder is our smartest,
Good side.
oldest,
She on good side.
stubbornest
Good side.
parakeet. She's so smart.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Give me a hand. Let me see.
3 budgies.
Let me see.
Alright, guys. You got 3 budgies.
Let me see.
Hold on here.
Look
3
at that.
budgies. Lots of eggs to go.
Relax.
Yeah, they're changing color slowly. Yeah, but it's something in some of this. She fighting with flicking on girl.
Hey, stop that.
You flicking? What the hell?
They fighting.
The parakeet and the cockatiel have a big fight going on, 2 females. And the parakeet winning. Because the cockatiel ain't want flicking fight with her.
Stop that, Powder.
She jealous, you know.
Yeah.
Look.
Come on, Sunshine. Kick her ass. Kick her ass. Yes. Addie, stop trying to stop him.
Go to your fucking shirt.
He's still fighting, Brett. Look.
Big fight in Charleston Street. The parakeet beat the cockatiel. Nobody want to mess with her.
She fighting with a lot of rest of female level, but you want to know.
I tell you, she jealous, boy. She's freaking so cold.
She fight with all of them.
She's fighting with everybody, Dread. On stage, you saying she's a hoe. But at least she got proof for this time. She always horny. Wow.
We need to take some of them eggs out, Daddy.
And put them where? You seen children? No, boy. You see, hold your hand. While she out, hold your hand.
Hello. Oh, hi.
Come. Alright, guys.
Up close, eh?
Yeah. From what I can see, these could be.
Yellow.
These made of yellow.
They're yellow because the daddy. Yeah.
Okay, that's 1. Yep, that's number 1.
It could be yellow, eh?
Hold on, no, that's number 2. This number 1. This number 3.
Be careful.
As you can see.
They're yellow?
Not yet. The colors ain't coming in yet. Couple more days.
They look big.
Couple more days, the colors could come in. Well, I see about
Powder, stop
2
fighting.
more. 1 might arch today.
Stop fighting, Powder.
1 might arch today. That's the way they look. But you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 eggs left. And 3 to notch. So that's 13 eggs in total.
Yeah.
That'll be a miracle if she get 10 out of fucking 13.
I don't think she could be able to take care of all them.
Boy, guess what? Something go off the way. Yes, everybody, this is my update. I'm a proud, proud man. Sometimes then, thank you all to go back inside the old mother. You realize what she do? She brings some of the feed and drop the feed in the flicking box.
So she could have to feed them to the night.
No, that's the nest. That's what that make the nest. So she ain't know nothing in here for nest.
I thought you
Don't
to put.
forget.
I thought you to put some milk.
No, I didn't put nothing in it. Now put the light back on. Everybody, take a quick view of this while I get this card boy here sorted out. I can put this back in place. Close this back up. No, they can have to take not right now, they can hear me.
Oh, she fighting with Sunshine. Sunshine too. We need to get Sunshine a plate.
You watch it?
Hey, stop that. Stop it. Stop it. I need to put your hand in there, Deb. To try to stop that too.
That ain't stop it. She need to go back in her box, that's all. Bring it up here. Come here. Every time you pull it out, I pull it too. Get it up inside. Thank you. Yeah, I grab her. And push it up inside. What are you damn saying?
And Shaggy, you won't even try to do nothing.
Shaggy won't be so leg. See, now you Robin. Yeah, pew, 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 pew.
Oh, I start shy. I can get you one bait. I can look for one bait for you.
Hey, go by Hannah, tell Hannah.
This video big. I can try to keep live. That's what the call this video. What you do?
Hey, I'm in the camera at you.
Hey.
See where they mess up her head? They pick her. Well, she didn't pick her ear right out her head. Almost pick her to the skull. Okay, guys. Have a great day. Bye.